The ZONESUN ZS-AFC12M is a fully automatic spout pouch filling and capping machine designed for food, daily chemical, and automotive liquid products. Running at up to 120 bags per minute depending on filling volume, it adopts a servo piston pump system ensuring precise dosing and consistent sealing quality. Built with stainless steel materials, it withstands hygienic production requirements and integrates pouch feeding, cleaning, filling, cap placing, and capping in one system. With its multi-head design, customizable hopper, and pouch compatibility, it provides reliable, efficient, and long-lasting performance for medium to large-scale production lines.